Hello everyone. Today we will study another important concept of fundamentals of partnership. It is guarantee of profit to a partner. Before proceeding, we must know what is the meaning of guarantee of profit to the partner.
Guarantee of profit to a partner. That means whatever may be the profits earned by the firm, but a partner is given assurance that he will get a certain minimum amount of profits. This we call as the guarantee of profit to a partner. That means he can get more than this amount, but he will not get less than this amount. And in case his profit share is less than this guarantee of profit, this guaranteed amount, then that difference is known as deficiency, and that is either borne by the firm or that may be borne by an individual partner.
So now we know what is the meaning of deficiency. Deficiency, it is equal to guaranteed profit minus actual share of profit. Actual share of profit. This you can understand with the help of an example. Like A, B and C. Three partners are there sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. And C has been given guarantee that minimum how much he will receive? Rupees 2 lakh. Now during the year profits are rupees 9 lakh. Then how much C will get? Out of this 9 lakh, C share will be 9 lakh divided by 6. C share will be 1,50,000. But he has got a guarantee of how much profits? 2 lakh. So deficiency will be equal to guaranteed profit. How much is the guaranteed profit? 2 lakh. And what is the actual share? 1,50,000. So deficiency will be 50,000. This is how you can calculate deficiency.
Now, this is our first question. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in 5:3:2. Their capitals on 1st April 2018, 10 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh respectively. And C is given a guarantee of rupees 50,000 as his share of profit every year. The profits for the year ended 31st March 2019 amounted to rupees 2 lakh. You are required to show the distribution of profits. Now, the main point, C is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 50,000 as his share of profit every year. Now, how we will solve this question? First, we will prepare our P&L appropriation account. Here you can see by net profit 2 lakh and PSR is given to be 5:3:2. So profit will be transferred like this. A, B, C. A will be credited with 1 lakh, B will be credited with 60,000 and C will be credited with 40,000. Now, what's the problem? C is guaranteed a minimum amount of 50,000, but only how much profits has been credited to him? 40,000. So, deficiency is rupees 10,000. And who will bear this deficiency? Because it is not mentioned in the question who will bear. That means firm will bear, and besides C, who other are there in the firm? A and B. And what is the PSR among A and B? 5:3. That means deficiency on this account that will be borne by A and B. And in which ratio they will bear? They will bear this deficiency in the ratio of 5:3. This you can calculate like this, and then we will show the results like this. From A's share, how much amount will be transferred to C? 6,250. And from B, how much will be transferred to C? 3,750. And this will be your final result. This is how we can solve when the guarantee is given by the firm. Now we will discuss another example in which a partner has given the guarantee to another partner. We will make a slight difference in the statement. Now, in this question, what is the difference? C is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 50,000 by A. That means whatever deficiency will be there in C's account on account of guarantee, that will be borne only by A. This is how we can solve this question. First, we will prepare our P&L appropriation account without considering guarantee. Then we will check how much amount we are crediting to C's capital, 40,000. But what is the amount of guarantee? 50,000. That means how much is the deficiency? 10,000. And how that deficiency will be charged? That will be deducted from A share and transferred to C share. This is how you can proceed. Now we will discuss one more example for the detailed discussion of this concept. And here you go. Now, in this question, again, we are three partners, A, B, C. Their capitals are given. Interest on capital is to be given at the rate 5% per annum. B and C each is to be given a salary of rupees 1,000 per month. C is guaranteed by partner a minimum amount of rupees 50,000. And this minimum amount of rupees 50,000, it will include interest on capital but exclude salary. That means in 50,000 we will include two items. One, share of distributable profit, and second, interest on capital. And then finally we will calculate deficiency. Profits for the year ended 31st March 2019 amounted to rupees 2,24,000. So, amount of guarantee 50,000. This is again, I am repeating, including interest on capital but excluding salary. Now, first we will prepare our P&L appropriation account without considering guarantee. By net profit 2,24,000. Here you will give interest on capital to all the three partners, then salary to B and C, profits transferred to. After deducting interest on capital and salary from net profit, remaining profit will be distributed like this. Then we will calculate deficiency in C's share of profit but including interest on capital. So, here C's share of profit including interest on capital, this amounted to rupees 40,000. So, how much is the deficiency? Again 10,000, and that will be deducted from A share and added in C share. This is how you can proceed. Now we will discuss one more example when firm is incurring losses instead of profits. Then how we will proceed? There the main point that you have to remember, like in the question, C was guaranteed a profit of
rupees 2 lakh. But during the year, instead of profits, the firm is incurring losses. So the finally C is debited with the loss of say rupees 1 lakh. Then how will you calculate deficiency? Deficiency, this is equal to guaranteed profit 2 lakh minus actual share of profit. But instead of profit, but he is getting loss, and loss is equal to negative of profit. So you will write down minus 1 lakh. So here your deficiency will be 3 lakh. Now let us discuss one more question for the guarantee of profit to a partner when the firm is incurring losses.
Treatment of guarantee when firm has incurred losses. This is the statement of question. A, B and C, their PSR and capitals are given. C is guaranteed a minimum amount of 50,000 by A. And instead of profit, losses for the year ended 31st March 2019 are given. And losses are rupees 2 lakh. When in question, instead of profits, losses are given, then first you will distribute the losses through profit and loss account. Then entry for deficiency will be passed, and that will be shown in the capital accounts. So 2 points. C is guaranteed a minimum amount of 50,000, and instead of profits, what is being shown here? Losses. Now first you will prepare P&L account. Net loss 2 lakh. Net loss will be transferred to A, B and C in PSR. Then you will calculate deficiency. Guaranteed share minus actual profit share. Amount of guarantee 50,000 and actual profit share. Instead of profit, he is getting share in loss. So his share of profit will be equal to minus 40,000. Here you can show it like this: 50,000 minus profit share will be deducted minus 40,000. So overall deficiency in C share will be 90,000. For this 90,000 you will pass this entry, as deficiency is to be borne only by A. So you will show it like this: A is capital account debit to C is capital account. And in case you are asked to prepare capital accounts, you will show this amount in debit of A and in credit of C's capital account.
Now we will discuss the last question for today. It is guarantee of profit with past adjustments. That means profit has already been distributed among partners, but in the wrong ratio, and one partner has been given the guarantee. Then how we will solve the question?
Now this is your comprehensive question, in which guarantee is given along with past adjustments. A, B, C are partners sharing profits in 5:3:2, and their capitals are given. Interest on capital is to be provided at the rate 10% per annum. A is to be given a salary of rupees 5,000 per month and B 40,000 per annum. C is guaranteed a profit share of rupees 2 lakh by A, and profits for the year ended 31st March 2019 amounting to rupees 9 lakh were distributed equally without considering the above provisions. That means you are required to pass the necessary rectifying or adjustment entry. Read the question carefully. You are not required to prepare P&L appropriation account. What you need to do? You need to pass the necessary rectifying entry. First, you will prepare table showing adjustment that already we have discussed in the previous video, that you can prepare like this. First, whatever profits you have distributed, you will take back the profits. You have distributed equally, so you will take back profits equally from all the three partners. So firm will get a total profit of 9 lakh. out of this 9 lakh, first you will give interest on capital to partners, then you will credit salary to partners, then net effect on account of these adjustment, A account is getting debited by 1,40,000, B 2 lakh, C 2,60,000, and ultimately the firm is having a profit of 6 lakh. So now this is the final profit 6 lakh, and how it will be distributed in PSR. Now at this stage you will find out what is the deficiency in C share. C has been given a guarantee of 2 lakh, but here only how much amount is being given to C on account of final share of profit 1,20,000. So deficiency in his account will be 80,000, that will be added in C share and deducted from A share. Then your final results will be like this. A debit 1,40,000 and 80,000 and credit 3 lakh. So finally he will get a credit of 80,000. B debit 2 lakh, credit 1,80,000, so net debit will be 20,000. C debit 2,60,000, credit 1,20,000 and 80,000, so how much amount will be debited? 60,000. So our final entry will be B and C both will be debited and A will be credited. B's capital account debit 20,000, C's capital account debit 60,000 to A's capital 80,000.
This is all about how you can solve questions related to guarantee of profit to a partner. But you will know this concept well only when you will practice from your books. So I will advise you to practice more and more questions. Thank you.